Kisah ini menceritakan tentang para
In Indonesia, this is just a fantasy. It is the ancient art form called wayang kulit, or the shadow puppet theater. For centuries, long before cinema ever existed, Javanese and Balinese people gathered through the night. Was their intrigue shadow tell story of God versus evil? But wayang is so much more than just puppet show. It's complex art of storytelling, a moral complex, and a living, breathing piece of our history. Today, our group want to invite you behind the white screen. We will explore its ancient origin, meet the genius who control the shadow, and uncover the deep philosophy hidden with their leather puppet. So, let's begin.
Wayang kulit is one of the oldest storytelling traditions in the world. Its origins trace back over 1,000 years, deeply rooted in the Hindu-Buddhist kingdoms of ancient Java. You can even see its influence carved into the relief of ancient temples. This tradition has survived through generations, passed down from master to apprentice, serving as entertainment, education, and a way to teach moral values. This extraordinary cultural heritage is so profound that in 2003 UNESCO designated wayang kulit from Indonesia as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. This honor recognizes that wayang it is not just about the puppets, but about the entire ecosystem of music, storytelling, and craftsmanship that keeps our history and ethics alive. But to make this shadow dance, it requires a true genius, a spiritual leader, and an artist all in one.
A wayang kulit performance is not a one-person show, but it is led by one extraordinary figure, the dalang. The dalang is the puppet master. He is the heart and soul of the entire performance. Imagine this: for 9 hours straight, the dalang must memorize hundreds of stories, speak in dozens of different character voices, and skillfully manipulate every single puppet, all while leading a full orchestra. And that orchestra is called the gamelan. It is a set of traditional percussion instruments, gongs, metallophone, and drums that create the haunting and dynamic soundtrack. The music sets the mood from a serene court meeting to a chaotic battle scene. Alongside the dalang, there is also the sinden, the female singer, whose melancholy and powerful voice adds another layer of emotion to the story. It's a symphony of shadows, music, and voice working together.
Almost every stories in wayang kulit are almost always taken from the great Hindu epics, like the Ramayanas and the Mahabharatas, for example. Those two epics are tales of honor, tales of love, tales of war and betrayal. But at their core, they represent something much deeper than that. It is the eternal battle within ourselves. This battle, however, in Mahabharata is divided into two main groups of a character. The first group, which you will often see in the right side of Dalang, they are called Pandavas. They represent virtues, they represent the good side of human nature in general, whereas the puppets, as you can see, they have a slender body and elegant faces. And then the next group, which you will often see in the left side of the Dalang, they are called Kauravas. Opposite to the Pandavas, they represent the darker side of the human nature, whereas the puppet, opposite to the Pandavas, they have a slightly rougher and larger body and fierce faces. And in Wayang Kulit, you have this kind of white screen. It is called clear, and it represents the universe. And then you have the wayang, represent the human us, yeah. And then the dalang, it represents the creator of the god. So yeah, at the end of the day, wayang reminds us that the life itself is just a shadow play where we all are choosing between right or wrong, good or evil at every moment.
So, in a world of smartphone and blockbuster movies, is this ancient shadow play still relevant? Absolutely. Wayang Kulit is adapting modern Dalang's art, now incorporating contemporary issues, social commentary, and even pop culture characters into their story to connect with younger audience. Some artists are creating wayang animation, video game, and graphic novel. Wayang has proven its resilience. It shows that a story told with passion, skill, and depth philosophy can transcend time. It reminds us that no matter how modern we become, the battle between good and evil and the search for wisdom is timeless.
From a simple shadow on a white screen, Wayang Kulit is taught us about our history, our philosophy, and our solves. It is a testament to Indonesia's rich and diverse cultures tapestry. We hope this journey into the world of shadow storytelling has inspired you. Thanks you for watching. From our group in Indonesia, we hope you get the chance to witness the magic of Wayang Kulit one day.